Hi there, good evening everyone. So, Tina Moran here. So, let me try this. Etong Mama Jack Kitchen baked sushi. So, I'm actually craving for baked sushi. So, I decided to look as social media. And then somebody actually recommended this one. Yes. So, I'm trying it out. I want to say hi to Mom Jacqueline. Thank you so much. Thank you for additional freebies of nori. Thank you so much. I want to taste. Sabi ko nga kay Mom Jack, I'm gonna try it. Excited ako. I've been craving for the sushi for few days now. Wow. Wow, sarap. Wala pa man. Itsura pa lang, guys. I'm gonna take a picture of it. Itsura pa lang, makikita mo na talaga. How, ano siya. Panira. Sorry, nasira yung diet ko. Oo nga. Ano kasi ako, hindi talaga ako mapag-rice. Pero ewan ko, nagki-crave talaga ako. Sorry ha. O, makakita nyo na pong kumain si Tina Moran. Let me try it. Hold on. Wait lang. Oh my God. Wait lang. Wow, Jacques. Legit po sobra. Ang sarap. Promise, ang sarap. Wow. Yun na lang yung sabi ko na, kasing wow. Sobrang hindi tinipid sa ingredients. Sobrang kompleto siya. Ma'am Jack, I'm not really sure basta baked sushi. Guys, if you want to try it, then you can go to Mama Jack Kitchen. And then, hindi ko kasi suot yung salamin ko. Promise kaya hindi ko makita. So, if you're looking for baked sushi, I recommend. So, thank you so much, Mom Jack, for this. And yeah, till next time. Pasalamat. Tina Moran here.